Hi you guys, today I'm going to show you how I laminate my eyebrows at home using Ardell Professional Brow Lamination Kit. Okay you guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, I forgot to say hi Jams! Anyway, make sure, I'm stupid. Today we are going to be laminating our eyebrows. I just want to see, my tongue is green from drinking chlorophyll. This is an easy at home application. It lifts, shapes, and defines the brow. It lasts up to 5 weeks. It's safe and easy to use. It's waterproof, and you get up to 3 applications. So we gonna see what this do, okay? All right, let's get started. Go ahead and open this up. Okay, so they give you a little spoolie brush. So we got that. They give you this package. Well, anyway, yeah. So you get this. Okay, so this is step 1. This is the brow effects. Step 2, this is the style solution. Then you have step 3, this is the neutralizer. And then you have step 4, which is the treatment oil. I don't want to mess myself up, but we're about to get started with this. We just gonna jump right on in. Okay, the first thing you want to make sure your brows are clean. So I washed my face already, but I'm just wet my eyebrows off with some alcohol. And then the next step, they said to use the spoolie to brush your brows upward or in desired location. Okay, I don't really like to brush my eyebrows up. And yeah, I don't like that. So I ain't gonna be able to do that one. I just want my eyebrows to be laid, okay? I just want them straight. I already have a natural arch. My eyebrows already have a natural arch, but I always shave off my points. But I'm just getting these brushed, okay? Make sure to apply the brow affix, which is bottle 1, onto a small section of hair. Using the clear mini comb, brush hair upward and continue to work into small sections throughout the brow. Okay, I'm guessing this is the clear mini comb, and you gotta apply solution 1. So you want to start with a small section. I'm gonna just do this and get this over with, because I ain't got time. I gotta be somewhere a little bit later. You gotta use this comb. I guess you do this with it. I'm probably doing this wrong, because I just do stuff on a whim. I don't even know what's gonna happen. Am I putting on too much? They didn't tell me how much to put on here. So I'm really getting it in here. Okay, I'm gonna do the other brow. I don't know, it feels like it's sticky a little bit. I don't know, it feels like I'm putting eyelash glue on my eyebrows. It feels like eyelash glue to me. But I'm just gonna do what it do. See, I like my eyebrows to go up right here, but then I like this part to be a little down. I gotta use a cotton swab and dip in the style solution and apply it to my brows, and then I gotta cover my brows with a plastic film and leave it on for 5 minutes. Okay, so let me get my Q-tip. This cap is stuck on here. I can't get this cap out the bottom. Okay, I got it. And then I'm just going over it. I don't know. In my mind, I'm thinking I'm perming my eyebrows. But I don't want to break out. Okay, so let me put the plastic on my eyebrows. Put that, and then I gotta cut this. It's sticking on. It doesn't itch or anything. Okay, so I gotta leave this on for 5 minutes. Let me get my timer. Shit, girl. You gotta put your timer. Okay, so we gonna wait. Okay, 5 minutes is up, so I'm about to see. See, this was glue, I was right. Okay, so now we gotta brush it out. Just gonna use this to scrape it out. This is step number 3. We gotta put our neutralizer on it. So they got these tabs inside of here. We gotta get something to pry it out. Wait a minute. Okay, I got it out. Yeah. Now we're gonna put our neutralizer on. So my skin won't get irritated. My skin is so sensitive. I was a little bit worried. But this is really easy to do. Okay, so after you do that, you want to go and put your plastic back on your eyebrows. Where's my plastic? I'll go ahead. This on. I'm just gonna tear this off. See my eyebrows getting straight. Okay. Then I gotta let this sit for another 5 minutes. Okay, now we gotta take this off. We gotta get a paper towel, and then we gotta wet the paper towel. Got a paper towel, and then we're gonna go ahead and blot this off the brow. White, you just wanna blot it and get all this off. Okay, so I gotta wait 2 minutes for the brows to set, and then I gotta put the oil on. Okay, so we completed our mission. Step number 4. Oh shit, I can't even get this one out. They put these things in here. Okay, so I'm trying to get this piece of plastic out of here, and it's a struggle. And I'm not finna. Okay, I got it out. You want to pull that out of there. Okay, so when you apply the oil, you want to go ahead and use your spoolie and just put this on. And yeah, I think this is what I'm gonna do from now on. I'm gonna laminate my eyebrows. Make your eyebrows look much better. And when you put the oil on, then it said blot excess treatment oil with a paper towel. So I'm gonna blot. I'm gonna blot this off. So after you finish laminating your brows, you want to keep the brows dry and avoid steam and water for 24 hours. I already done took my shower, so I ain't got no problems with that. And then you can trim and shape your brows as desired. To ensure brows remain healthy and in good shape, retouch is not recommended between 4 to 6 weeks. Let's get a close look at these brows. I like this brow better. I don't know what this one doing. So that completes my video. I'm going to show you guys how I will look when I finish putting the look together. Okay, you guys, so this is how everything looks after I finish filling in my brows. Y'all better go and get this Ardell brow lamination. And it was really quick. It takes like 10-15 minutes to do. It's very easy. So we're gonna see how it holds up. All right, you guys, thank you for watching. Bye, Jen.